guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be sharing with you the lace edges, the usefulness of lace edges. So do you know that lace edge is also known as selvage? What do we mean by selvage? The woven part of your fabric. That woven part of your fabric is always in the lengthwise of your fabric. Lace fabrics always comes with selvage. So as you can see, this edge, in my language they call it a tea lace. So it's always beautiful when you use it for your yoke, the neck area of your dress, and also the hemline of your sleeve. You can also use it for the hemline of the dress also. When you are using it for the hemline of your dress, it's somehow difficult when it's a mermaid dress because it's kind of curvy and this is straight. But I will share with you how you can place your skirt in order to be able to cut it out, and you won't need to join this selvage to the skirt. And also I will share with you how you can use it to cut your yoke. To make, all you need to do is, I will just share it with you in this video. So let's go there.
So the center front will be placed on the lace fabric like this. So you can see I'm trying to place it on the selvage so that the selvage will form the neckline. So I'll go ahead and add ½ inch sewing allowance at the center front. Then I'll go ahead and cut like so. So I'll just cut. Then after cutting, I'll get a matching thread. That matching thread will be used with a zigzag stitch. So the zigzag stitch will be used to join the two front panels together. So I'll be joining it at the center front. So the zigzag stitch will be the one, it will be invisible as you can see. By the time you join it together, you set your stitch to 0.5 on the zigzag stitch so that it will be able to capture everything. So after I have joined it together, you can see what I have. Then another method you can use is the yoke method. The yoke method is when you have cut the yoke, then you're going to place your fabric, double your fabric like so. Just make sure you arrange the selvage very well. Make sure you are placing the selvage on each other very well, the way I just placed it. Then you're going to place your yoke, then cut out like so. Cut out like so. So you can use it for your yoke, and it will also form the neckline by the time you join it together. And I can join the yoke together or place it together with a zigzag stitch also. So you can see what the yoke form. This is beautiful. This is the neckline. So you can join it together with ½ inch stitch or place it on top of each other by a zigzag stitch. So I'll just use ½ inch to stitch together like so. So I'll just go ahead and stitch it together like so. So using that method, you can have this. It's possible to have this. Then the next thing is the skirt. How to use it for your mermaid skirt. So I will be placing the front. This is the front panel of your skirt. This is the front panel of your skirt. I have cut the front. Then I'll place it on the two panels of the back. So I'll place it like so. So the placement is what makes it form the mermaid skirt. So when you place it for the A line, you are going to place it straight if it is A line, so that the selvage will show. But if you are making a mermaid skirt, you know it's kind of slopey from the side to the center back. So because of that, you're going to raise the center front up. You're going to raise the center front up. If you are familiar with the way we cut a mermaid skirt or any skirt that has tail at the back, you should be familiar with it, that at the center back we raise it up by at least 5 inches. The minimum measurement you can use is 5 inches to raise it up so that it will flow at the back. So you can see the way I'm bending it. It's no more straight in case of, like in the case of A line. So I bend it so that the shape will be able to come out very well. So if you have enough fabric, this will be very beautiful if you have enough fabric to work with. but in this case I'm making this for a client and I needed to manage this fabric, so that's why I didn't put enough allowance at the hem line at the center back. So you can put enough allowance at the hem line at the center back if you have enough fabric to work with. So here I'm placing my zipper allowance, so I'll place the new zipper allowance right now. The way it's bending, that's the way I will go. I'll just place the zipper allowance of 1.5 inch. Then when I get to the skirt, the knee, above the knee, so that's where I just marked, I'll take my straight ruler, then slope it to the hem line of the skirt. So if you have enough fabric, you can see it can still be more than this. So I hope you get the logic how to cut, and in such a way that you don't need to join the selvedge, but the selvedge will just come out naturally. So that's what I'm trying to teach you here. I hope you have learned something in this tutorial, and if you have gotten something new in this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section if you have any comments in this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.